To add products to your cart in Temu, start by accessing the application, which can be downloaded from an app store or accessed through a web browser by searching for the website. Once you have access, you can browse through the various categories, such as home and kitchen, women's clothing, and men's clothing, to find items you're interested in. Alternatively, you can use the search bar to type in specific keywords, like dresses for women in summer. When you find an item you want to add to your cart, click on it to view the details. Select your preferred size, and then click the Add to Cart button. The item will be added to your cart, and you can view the total number of items and the subtotal at the top of the page. This process is straightforward and easy to follow, allowing you to quickly add products to your cart and proceed with your shopping.